Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore HubSpot from LinkedIn lead capture errors, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the Contacts section. Click on Contacts to view your lead records. Identify any leads that may have been captured incorrectly from LinkedIn. Take note of the specific errors related to these leads. Next, head over to your LinkedIn account. Locate the lead capture settings, which can typically be found under your account or business settings. Review the integration settings between LinkedIn and HubSpot. Ensure that the integration is properly set up and active. Return to HubSpot and navigate to the Integrations tab. Check for any notifications or alerts regarding integration errors. If you find an error, follow the prompts to resolve it. Once the integration is confirmed to be functioning, return to your contacts list. Select the leads that require corrections. You may need to edit each lead individually to update their information. Correct any inaccuracies noted earlier, such as name, email, or contact details. After making the necessary edits, save each lead. For bulk corrections, consider using the import feature in HubSpot. Prepare a CSV file with the corrected lead information. Navigate to Contacts and select the option to import. Follow the instructions to upload your CSV file. Map the columns in your CSV to the correct fields in HubSpot. Confirm the import and allow the system to process the updates. Finally, verify that the leads now reflect accurate information in your HubSpot. Consider running a test lead capture from LinkedIn to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Monitor your lead captures for a few days to catch any further issues promptly. Document any recurring problems for future reference or reporting. Stay informed about updates and changes in both HubSpot and LinkedIn that may affect integration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.